My husband and I started taking the ginger turmeric shots in the morning, and I've been making them. My hands are actually all orange from just making a batch. And when I came across these glass jars, I knew that these were going to be perfect for them. So these are 2 ounces. I did get the pack of 18, but they also come in a pack of like 8, 12, 24, 36, so many different options. So you get 18 of these glass 2-ounce jars. They also come with 4 of the funnels, which is great because obviously the opening is quite small, so that's going to fit right there. And then you also have these really great lids. They've got that like rubber seal on the inside, so you know that when you put that on there, nothing's going to spill out, and it's going to keep them nice and airtight, so you know that they can last in the fridge for quite some time. They even come with some stickers here that you can put on the bottles and label them. I'm actually not going to use these just because I'm literally going to be using them for the exact same thing every week. So let's go ahead and try and fill one up together. I do not have really great hand-eye coordination, so I envision just kind of like spilling this all over the place, but we're going to see how it's going to go. So obviously, I love that it just sits in there nice and easy. I put this in a measuring cup. After I have made my juice, I actually strained this already. So I just took a little strainer and I did that because I did not want it to be all pulpy. Oh, and look at that. Even with terrible hand-eye coordination, this is filling up nice and easy. So I'm not going to go to the tippy top like that, but we're going to go ahead and put this down here. Put that lid on, and we'll do that test to make sure it is indeed. There we go. No drops, nothing. These are perfect. Pop these in the fridge and we are good to go for the week.